The reason you're not able to close deals like this and you don't have a calendar like this is because you have a broken offer. You have an offer that people don't want, right? So in this video, I'm going to fix that. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create offers that actually appeal to people, that actually feels attractive to people, and also will be undeniable for people to not say yes, right? So let's get into this video. If you are struggling with offer, if you are an agency or coach, struggling with offer, then this video will completely change the offer game for you, right? So let's get into the video and understand how to create very attractive offers. Like now, when we're talking about offers, we first need to understand that people care about ROI. No matter what, people care about money or people care about time. So we need to solve a problem within a marketplace that either makes them more money or saves them more time. Okay. Ideally, it is very good that if you make them more money, right? So if they make more money, then you can then basically upsell them, cross sell them, and make more money off of them, right? But the thing is, it should give them an ROI, right? Now, while creating offer, the first very important step that we have to do is we have to create a ICP research document, right? So in this particular document, you'll have everything about your target market, what they're feeling about, what they're thinking about, what are their pain points, what are they deeply craving, right? Having all these data points will help you to craft your offer in such a way that it will exactly hit their pain point. It will exactly hit their emotion, right? Now, after doing the research, after having that ICP research document, now we need to understand about their core problems, their core emotions, what are their beliefs, what are their jargons within the industry, what are the fears, what are the dream outcomes, right? Having an understanding about these things will help us to craft an offer that will actually trigger their emotion, right? Trigger their fears or trigger their dream outcome, right? After that, we need to implement the formulas for creating the offers, right? We need to use all these things in order to create very good offer. These are some formulas that we basically use inside our agency for coaches and agency owners. We help them to get more clients for their business using advertisement and AI ecosystems. So if you're a coach or an agency owner who is struggling with client acquisition, then you can definitely reach me out. You'll find a link to book a call with my team, right? You can go ahead and book your call. Basically, let's get into the video. Now, these are the offer structure that our clients follow. How to get high paying clients without overworking yourself. After that, we can also use the time frame, like high paying clients without overworking yourself within 90 days or within 60 days, right? Or within 30 days using some XYZ mechanic, right? So this is one part of the framework. We have a lot of more. Now, once you make the offer, now it's time to see if the offer is actually working in the marketplace or not, right? So we need to validate the offer. Now, for validating the offer, we have three steps that we can take, right? So the first step is test the offer with the existing lead. If you have an existing lead list or existing customer list, then what you can do is you can just reach them out and tell them about your offer and ask for feedback. Feedback is very important in this scenario because the more feedback you get from your target market, the better your offer can be, right? The better you can make your offer, right? Test that with the existing lead. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go ahead on Instagram and you can DM your ICP and get feedback on the offer. You can just DM your ICP, hey man, this is my offer. Will you be interested, or this something that interests you, right? You get feedback on that, or even if people say no, ask them why they are saying no, right? Even if you're getting people into a sales call, if they're rejecting your offer, ask them why they are rejecting your offer. Is it the price? Is it the what is the thing? What value are they not able to see in this particular offer that they are not able to pay the money? The feedback in this scenario is very important from a target market, not from your friends, not from your colleagues, not from anyone else, from your target market. Don't make this mistake and you are just going to your family members or your friends to ask them the feedback. They are not a target market. Go ahead and ask the questions. Present your offer in front of your target market. So you can make YouTube videos, you can make reels about it, you can make stories about it. You can reach out to the people, right? You can even run ads with a very low budget to test the demand, to see how many people are getting interested, to see if you are getting leads and appointments for the offer or not. Right now, after that, what you need to do. So after that, what you need to do is scale your offer, right? Now, when it comes to scaling your offer, it is very difficult to scale with only done for you, as most of the people are only providing done for you services, right? Doing everything by themselves. and it takes a lot of manual labor. It is very difficult to scale in general, right? Now, when it comes to service delivery, we have to understand there are three type of models that we basically leverage in order to create a scaling offer: a do-it-yourself model, done-for-you model, or done-with-me model, right? Now, with your sub model, you basically have templates and info that your target market can utilize in order to get to a desired or get a desired result, right? And in done for you, everything is done by you or your team. And done with you, you basically have models, and in done with you, you basically have modules, calls, and one-to-one sessions with people in order to help them to achieve a certain goal, right? Okay, so now understand about what is the difference between all these three, right? Now, in do it yourself, you can give info and templates, but can generate no solid client result, but it is highly scalable, right? In done with you, you can give the information and give coaching on the information, but still client have to figure out new skill, which delays the result, right? And the results are highly dependent on clients. It is decently scalable with teams, right? Done for you. You can set up everything for the clients and manage everything. You can get client results fast, but the overhead in done for you is very high, and the scalability over here is very 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 hard, right? So we need our we need to make our offer in such a way that we can utilize all these things, so that we can make an offer very 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 easy to scale, right? With very less overhead, with very less team members, right? Now, let's understand how we can basically leverage all these three models, right? A lot of people, what they basically do is they basically send the do it yourself part in the front end and then done with you as an upsell, and as the ultimate or premium service, they keep the done for you. Now, what they basically do is they basically sell the do it yourself part in the ads in the front end, so that they make the money. Now, now what they basically do now, what we basically do is when the client faces some problem in any of the fields they're working on, maybe in content, maybe in ads or something, we basically cross sell the services, right? This is an example. Like, for example, we are we're providing meta ad services to a client and we're generating leads for them. And we're seeing that if we help them with the content, then we can multiply or amplify our ads. What we basically do is we cross sell them the content services, so that it will be a very win-win situation for both of us, because our ads will perform better, plus they will have their content in place, right? So cross selling is basically selling people what they need at the exact moment they want that, right? So you need to have multiple products, you need to have sophisticated products inside of a company or products or services, so that you can cross sell people when they need a particular service in a particular time, right? Now, cross selling is obviously one solution. The second solution is a hybrid offer, right? In hybrid offer, we can have fast results. It is highly scalable compared to traditional done for you, right? What we basically do in the hybrid done for you, hybrid offer, is basically we provide done for you, implementing tasks by your team that need expertise and generally takes time to set up, right? So we do the part that need expertise and generally takes time for the client to set up, because they don't have the expertise, or they need to all the technical stuff, right? We implement all the things by the expert in our team, right? Then what we basically do is we help them after implementation, coaching the clients on how to use the system. We have a system. We have our team of people. Those are expert in that particular system, in building that system. So what we basically do is when we onboard client, we build that system. We coach their team or them on that particular system on how to use that particular thing in order to generate uh, m- consistent appointments for the agency or coaching business. And then they basically use all the info, use all the support from our team in order to run that particular system. Right. Now, this is a hybrid offer that you can utilize, and which is very, very highly scalable. Right. Now, let's talk about the money model. The money model that you can utilize in order to get more and more and more demand for your services through ads, or you can also use this, and maybe it is very effective in ads, as I most of the time run ads. I don't rely on cold events, all these bullshit. I basically focus on like putting money and getting out of money. Right now, how can we basically make a money model of? So one thing in decoy offer, I'll tell you, we have to sell a decoy offer. We have to show people a decoy offer in the front end of the ad. The decoy offer is basically X, Y, Z that is done with you thing is free, right? But they only get this offer if they show up to the call, right? They basically book a call with us and we tell them that you will get all our templates and information for free if you show up to the call, right? And in the call, what do we basically do? In the call, what do we basically do? You basically pitch them a tax and offer that is a win your money back. Win your money back offer is basically you have a set of steps to follow. You have, for example, you have a transformation. You take people from point A to point B, right? As a coach or as an agency, Now you'll have different steps in them. So what you basically tell people is, I have XYZ steps over here. You need to follow them, and you need to get results. And if you get results, I'll give your money back, or I'll credit your money to the next month. Right? So this offer basically helps you to generate a lot of cash flow for your business. For example, yeah, this particular offer is very, very, very effective for coaches, right? Uh, because this is kind of like an accountability offer. So they are betting on themselves if they are able to take all the steps or not. And if they take all the steps and if they get the results, they win their money back for the next month, right? And also you can layer it with another offer that if they follow all the steps and then also they don't get the results, then you can give them a complete refund. It will be an undeniable offer for you. It will be this is how you can structure your offer in order to make that undeniable. And in the back end, you have to set that up like this, right? So hopefully you guys have got a lot of value from this video, as I've been spending a lot of time making very, very good quality content for you guys so that we'll take or this decent amount of monthly revenue. And yeah, after that you can, find the best solution for you in the market. And yeah, at any point of time you think that I can help you in order to build a solid acquisition system for your business, then yeah, man, hit me up. You'll have the link in the description. You can go ahead and check that out. And yeah, now that's it for the video. If you like the video, then go ahead and subscribe. I also do a lot of stuff in my Instagram. You can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, that's it for the video. I'll get you in the next video.